Everybody's really cheerful and happy because we won the World Series. So
I've been coming here to the preseason games, well, since this stadium opened, but over to Holcomb before this stadium opened. Come and stand in line and get our tickets every year.
Yeah, we've been coming to spring training for at least 20 years. And we just moved here 2 years ago, so we used to travel to come for the month from Chicago. And so we're here standing in line to get some friends some tickets because we have season tickets. We've got ours, but we have some friends coming in town we want to take care of.
Would have been nice to do it together, but unfortunately it didn't work out that way. But you know what? I'm doing this all in their honor and for my excitement too. And I'm going to bring my son. So
We've gone to games before, but now that we're locals, it's pretty cool.